15 common causes of inflammation and how to reduce it. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection. It is characterized by redness, swelling, pain, and heat in the affected area. While inflammation is a necessary process for healing, chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health problems. In this article, we will discuss the top 15 causes of inflammation and how to reduce it. Diet. A diet high in sugar, processed foods, and trans fats can lead to inflammation in the body. These foods can cause an imbalance in the gut microbiome, leading to a release of pro-inflammatory chemicals. Stress. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation in the body. Stress hormones such as cortisol can increase the production of pro-inflammatory chemicals, leading to inflammation in the body. Lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to inflammation in the body. Exercise helps to reduce inflammation by promoting the production of anti-inflammatory chemicals. Obesity. Obesity is a major cause of inflammation in the body. Fat cells release pro-inflammatory chemicals, leading to inflammation in the body. Smoking. Smoking is a major cause of inflammation in the body. The chemicals in cigarettes can cause inflammation in the lungs and other parts of the body. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to inflammation in the body. Alcohol can cause an imbalance in the gut microbiome, leading to a release of pro-inflammatory chemicals. Lack of sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to inflammation in the body. Sleep is important for regulating the immune system, and a lack of sleep can cause an increase in pro-inflammatory chemicals. Air pollution. Air pollution can lead to inflammation in the body. The chemicals in air pollution can cause inflammation in the lungs and other parts of the body. Exposure to toxins. Exposure to toxins such as pesticides and heavy metals can lead to inflammation in the body. These toxins can cause an imbalance in the gut microbiome, leading to a release of pro-inflammatory chemicals. Autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus can lead to inflammation in the body. The immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells, leading to inflammation. Allergies. Allergies can lead to inflammation in the body. The immune system overreacts to allergens, leading to inflammation in the body. Hormonal imbalances. Hormonal imbalances such as high cortisol levels can lead to inflammation in the body. Hormonal imbalances can cause an imbalance in the gut microbiome, leading to a release of pro-inflammatory chemicals. Genetic factors. Certain genetic factors can make a person more prone to inflammation. These factors can increase the production of pro-inflammatory chemicals in the body. Medications. Certain medications can lead to inflammation in the body. These medications can cause an imbalance in the gut microbiome, leading to a release of pro-inflammatory chemicals. Age. As we age, our body's ability to fight inflammation decreases. This can lead to an increase in pro-inflammatory chemicals in the body. To reduce inflammation, it is important to eat a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It is also important to exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and manage stress. Quitting smoking and limiting alcohol consumption can also help to reduce inflammation. It is also important to avoid exposure to toxins and to get regular checkups to detect any underlying health issues. In conclusion, inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health problems. By understanding the top 15 causes of inflammation and taking steps to reduce it, we can improve our overall health and well-being. Additionally, It is important to speak with a healthcare professional if you suspect chronic inflammation may be the cause of any symptoms you are experiencing. With the right approach and lifestyle changes, we can reduce inflammation and improve our overall health and well-being.